Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel GetAssist.net, where I talk about email services, social media, troubleshooting and latest trends. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can permanently delete your Kik account. So in my previous video, I showed you how you can create a Kik account in few simple steps. So in this video, I will show you how you can delete that permanently if you want. So if you are interested, please keep on watching, and now let's begin with the video. Alright, so if you want to permanently delete your Kik account, you have to simply open the Kik app on your mobile device. You can do it using your mobile. Now after that, you have to simply tap the settings icon at the top right corner. From here, you have to go to this option, help and about us, as there is no direct option to delete your account. After that, you have to press the help option, and you will be directed to the support page of Kik. Now here you have to simply enter that you want to delete your Kik account or deactivate your Kik account permanently. So here I am going to write deactivate. So it's coming up right here. You have to press this option, deactivate your account. As you can see, a lot of information is given here. You can also temporarily deactivate your account. If you want to come back on this account, you can temporarily deactivate it instead of permanently deleting it. Alright, so it's written that if you will temporarily deactivate your account, it means you will no longer receive Kik messages or emails from us. Your Kik username won't be searchable. Your name will be deleted from the contact list of people you have talked to. Alright, but also it's written that once you permanently deactivate your account, you will no longer be able to log back in or access any information such as contacts and message history. So to permanently deactivate your account, you must have access to the email registered to the account. So to delete your Kik account, you need to be logged into your email address using which you have created your Kik account. Also, if you choose to permanently delete your Kik account, you will not be able to recover it anytime. You will only have the option to create a new one. Alright, so make sure you have access to your email address, only then you can delete it. So what you have to do is you just have to go to this link that shows up in green color, that is showing up here. Enter the correct information on our permanent deactivation site. So I will simply press that. So as you can see, a new form has appeared. Here you have to just fill the information, how do I delete my Kik account. So you have to enter your username, your email address using which you created this account, and please let us know why you are leaving Kik, the reason you are leaving Kik. And you have to select this checkbox that says, I understand that I am permanently deactivating my account and I won't be able to log in again to reactivate it. Alright, so here I am going to fill all the information. First of all, my username, then my email address, and then the reason why I am leaving Kik. So it's too slow, trouble sending messages, doesn't have the features I want, trouble finding friends, safety concerns, too much spam, I use another app, my friends don't use Kik. So I'm going to select this one, and then you can also enter additional information if you want. That is not compulsory. Now you have to simply select this box and then you have to press go. So once you press go, as you can see, my account has been deleted, scheduled for deletion. So they have sent me a link to my email to permanently deactivate my Kik account. So now I will open my email address using which I created this account. So here is the email I have received from Kik. Still want to delete your Kik account? We are sad to see you go. Permanently deactivating your account means, so it's written all the information that what will happen when you will delete your account. And if you will scroll down to the bottom, you will see one option, permanently deactivate. So you simply have to press that. And as you can see, my account has been permanently deactivated. So your account has been deactivated now, and you can create a new account anytime. Similarly, if you want to delete your child's Kik account, you can do it using your own mobile device. If you know their username, and if you have access to their email address. Alright. So yeah, that was all for this video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Also press the bell icon to stay notified of my latest videos. You can write down all your queries and suggestions in the comment box down below, and I will see you in the next video.